Nature is the best healer. Many people have believed for thousands of years that spending time in the nature can be healing and restorative. Hippocrates even said, nature itself is a best physician. We will talk about mental health, physical activities, and spiritual renewals. The mental health. If you spending time in the nature, reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and low down blood pressure, heart rate, and muscle tension. The physical activities. Being in nature can encourage physical activities and social interaction. Spiritual renewals. Nature's cycle of life, death, and rebirth can mirror our own spiritual journeys, reminding us of our place in the large rhythm of life. It can invite us to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with our essence.